I believe that we diaspora-born have benefited from being exposed to a culture and values frozen at the time our parents left the country. Some say social media is a mirror of the society. I truly hope it's not. It's some sort of a culture shock for some of us when we are exposed to most of the current social media content shared by our community, because many of us born in the West associate our culture and our people with dignity, respect, a warm community, love, and support. And a lot of what we see today from the younger generations and from some seasoned member of our society in diaspora, it's just not that. And mind you, it's not everyone and everything, but there is so much drama and insults and disrespect towards people you don't even know. And that just doesn't add up to what some of us grew up believing it's our culture and our core value of our society. So when we see all of this mess on social media, some of us are a little taken aback. How do you feel about this?
Culture is cool.
السي وبحال الخبور